Hey, this is Joe with Presonus with another Studio One Minute. Listen to this track. What does it need?
'Cause I'm gonna find a lover I know always makes me feel safe in her arms, or I can hear.
To my ear, it sounds nice and full and warm, but it needs something in the top end, like a keyboard synth pad or an organ or something like that. But before I reach for my keyboard, I like to reach for my microphone and try a few background vocal parts. If you are a singer and you can do a couple of oohs and ahs with maybe a harmony or two, you can put together something pretty great. Listen to what that adds to the track.
'Cause I'm gonna find a lover I know always makes me feel safe in her arms, or I can hear.
See, it satisfies that need for some top end while also creating something completely unique to the song. All right, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. See ya.